Hello and welcome to AuthorSell's channel. Hi, I am Kerry and today we're going to be talking about designing a book cover that resonates with your target audience readers. As an author, it's important to have a book cover that speaks to your target audience readers and convey the value and benefits of reading your book. So, how can you design a book cover that resonates with your target audience? The most significant thing is you must know your target audience. Who is your book intended for? No one reads every kind of book. People have different interests. One of the things I help my clients do is to split their books to reach different target audiences. Example, a book about weight loss for women under 30, weight loss for men under 40, weight loss for teens, etc. Calling out your target audience in the title or subtitle is a sure way to get more and the right people reading your book. Understanding your target audience is key to creating a book cover that resonates with them. Tip number 2, use relevant imagery. If your book includes illustrations or photography, make sure they are relevant to the content of your book and speak to your target audience. If you are finding value in this video so far, show it by clicking the thumbs up. Be sure to leave a comment or a question below and subscribe to AuthorSell for more book design tips and trends. Consider the tone and theme of your book. Does your book have a serious or lighthearted tone? Is it aimed at a specific age group or demographic? Your book cover should reflect the tone and theme of your book and appeal to your target audience. If you are in need of professional book cover design services, be sure to check out my Fiverr gig at fiverr.com/Kerry Watson. I offer a range of book design services, and I am happy and ready to help you create the book that sells. Make sure to mention this voucher number, #YT25, for a $25 discount on any of my services. Overall, the key to designing a book cover that resonates with your target audience is to know your audience. So you can create a book cover that will speak to your target audience and encourage them to pick up your book. Watch this next video to learn more about book cover designs, tips, and trends.